First, open the Pocketful app. You'll find the Mutual Funds section, tap on it. Next, click on Explore Mutual Funds. This will open the Mutual Funds page. Here, you can see your portfolio's current value, and by going into Portfolio Details, you can check all your holdings. In the Popular Mutual Funds section, you'll find funds that are widely preferred by investors and have delivered good returns over the last 3 years. You can tap on View All to explore all funds on the Fund Screeners page. On this page, funds are divided into different categories such as Large Cap, Top Large Cap Funds, ELSS, Tax Saving Funds, Index Funds, Liquid Funds. There's also a Fund Categories section where you can explore funds based on types like Debt, Liquid, Index, Balanced, ELSS, Equity, Large Cap, Mid Cap, Small Cap, and even funds where you can start investing with just 500 rupees. Next, you'll see the High Returns section, where you can check funds that have performed well in the last 3 years. You can tap on View All to see the complete list. In the My Account section, you can track your orders. For example, if you've invested in a fund like DSP Credit Fund, you can see its status, e.g., in progress. By clicking on it, you can view detailed information such as order ID, placement date, investment amount, units allotted, NAV date, and NAV. Payment method. If you face any issue, you can click on Raise a Ticket, which will redirect you to Pocketful's support page. You can also tap on Try Again. That's it. Investing in mutual funds on Pocketful is simple and convenient. Download the Pocketful app and start your mutual fund journey today.